In God We Trust, Liberty, 2018, No Mint Mark, Shield 20. Okay, I have information here for the most valuable 2018 Shield 20. Okay, I will read the information. The most valuable 2018 penny without a mint mark ever sold was graded MS68RD by Professional Coin Grading Service in 2022 and fetched an incredible $1,799.99. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. Bye for now and have a great day.